not okay.
You're alive. Shut up.
You guys need to just let it go. Grief in silence. This is not okay. This is not a George Floyd situation. George Floyd was unarmed. He was unarmed.
You're alive.
It is not okay. My kids have to deal with this and probably have a mental illness now because they almost lost their life. There's bullet holes in my kitchen because he sat in the fucking hallway watching my move. I wish it never happened either. I don't have a place to call home. I can't sleep that night.
She's obviously going through a moment.
This is not okay.
This is what they want to show on the TV. She's obviously going through a moment.
This is not okay. Just go home. Go home. Because none of you guys knocked on that man's door to check his health.
Shut up. He comes to my house. Shut up. You're
No, you guys did not come. He did not. You guys did not come and visit that man. This is not the time for the place. It wasn't. I told man. I told man. Get away from me. Get away. No, because you think it's okay to get in my kid's in the car. My kid's in the car. My black kid is in the car. He tried to kill me in front of my kids. He tried to kill me in front of my kids. He tried to kill me in front. There was casings in the hallway. The shot went through my door to the pillar to the kitchen. I was cooking food for my kids.
He's dead now, so that can't happen.
He shouldn't know. It doesn't matter. He shouldn't have been dead. Y'all should have came and helped him when he was alive.
Yeah, a lot of anger and frustration from the mother who lived next door to TEKLE SUNDBERG. An emotional evening as Arabella Yarborough recounts the night of the hours-long standoff at her Minneapolis apartment complex. That 6-hour standoff Thursday morning ending with police shooting TEKLE SUNDBERG multiple times, killing him. Today, community members gathered for a protest against police violence. Mary McGuire joins us now, and Mary, tensions running very high as family remembers the man who was killed.
And Karen, as you heard, there some powerful and very contentious moments at that rally for TEKLE SUNDBERG, who was shot and killed by Minneapolis police early Thursday morning. Now, this afternoon, just as the protest was starting to get underway against police violence, the woman who lived in the apartment directly next door to TEKLE showed up. Her name is Arabella Yarborough, and she says she was cooking dinner for her 2 young children on Wednesday night when bullets began flying through her walls. She shared these photos of the aftermath of the shooting with us that show multiple bullet holes through her front door and through her bathroom wall. She confronted the family of TEKLE, saying she had 5 minutes to live while TEKLE had 6 hours to choose life or death.
That man was armed. George Floyd was not armed. Breonna Taylor was not armed. Amir Lockett, he was armed, and he had his own guns, but they came into his home while he's licensed to carry and killed him. He did not shoot fire. This man intentionally tried to kill us.
We can feel terribly for this woman, but also remember that TEKLE should be here with us, and he should be alive, and we can ask the Minneapolis Police Department to do better.
Now, that was Jeff Storms, the attorney for the Sundberg family. Sundberg's parents were also at this protest. They adopted TEKLE from Ethiopia when he was just 4 years old. They also expressed their remorse for everything that Yarborough experienced on the night of the standoff. They say the shooting through her apartment walls and the killing of their son are two separate incidents that should have been handled in very different ways. Now, attorney Jeff Storms says that he has requested that the family of TEKLE view any body camera video that perhaps was caught the night of the shooting. The city attorney's office says that they are pouring through all of that footage now and that it will be shown to the family before it is released to the public. We still don't have a timeline on when that could all happen. Reporting live in Minneapolis tonight, Mary McGuire, Fox 9.